this video, I am going to show you how to generate music using AI feature in Filmora mobile app. First, open Filmora mobile app and open your project. And you may notice this video has no sound. To add music, click on music track and it will take you to the Filmora library. Here you can find all types of music like pop fitness, vlog, cinematic and more. And to create a music with the help of AI, click on back button, then from menu, select AI audio and you will get two options. First is AI music and second is AI sound. In AI sound, you can create sound by describing it like for thunder, city, explosion and so on. In AI music, you will get 8 types of mood like happy, sad, exciting, chill, epic, peaceful, hopeful and emotional. Then you will get 5 themes like vlog, cinematic, dance, travel and sport. Then with the help of time slider you can adjust the length of the music. You can create up to 5 minutes and minimum of 20-second music. And with the number you can generate up to 10 music and minimum of 1 music. Now select the mood according to your video, then select the theme, then adjust the duration of music and number of music you want. Then click on generate. And within a few seconds, AI will generate the music according to your preferences. Then download the music and you can listen them here. Then click on plus sign to add music to the timeline. That's simple to create music with the help of AI in Filmora mobile app. Download the app now and give wings to your creativity.